Hi guys, Eid Mubarak. So it's right now Eid afternoon, and our uncle gave us this LOL gift. So we're gonna open it today, right?
Yeah.
So let's look on the box to figure out more. So on the box it says
Hey
surprise.
guys, I love this LOL and I want to get it.
Yeah, so wonder who will get. So on the front, the package, this girl says surprise hairstyle. Package plays music. There is 15 surprises, so it comes with like this card. It comes with music from the radio. It comes with the radio box. It comes with this DVD set. It comes with a doll, of course. It comes with some accessories, jumps, so many stuff. And then you can get the remix hair flip, the remix pets, or the other remix hair flip. So we got the remix hair flips right here. All right, now let's open it. All right. Oh, wow, Ali. Open the box here. Just dump it out. You don't have to rip it. Wow, look at the box. It looks so nice. Oh, wow, this is so cool. How do you this way? There. So we have to find a radio. So let's find it. See, look. We opened it, and this is the radio. We have to find it.
I have a blue one.
Yeah, I got a pink one. So let's take the lid off. Whoa! So many surprises! Let's dump it out. Oh, don't mix up. Don't mix up.
Wow.
Wow, and this is my girl that I got, I think. See? This is the one I got, I think. What's inside? It's the radio. I think we have to put batteries, right? So this machine needs batteries on the bottom, so
put it back in.
we will put batteries. And this is the girl I got. I wonder what's her name. I think they have a checklist. Yeah, they have a checklist. Let's see the checklist. So this is the checklist. Oh my gosh, look at all of the girls on the checklist. Oh, there's some riddles on the back. Whoa, that's cool. The riddles on the back. Oh, look at all of the ones we can collect. Yeah, let's get on with this stuff. So let's open them. Well, oh, where's the doll? Oh, the doll is in this package. See, the doll is in here.
Yeah, let's open it.
Yeah, so let's open the surprises first. What did I get? Oh, I got this little piece because we have to put the doll on
look,
the
I
stand.
got it.
Yeah, I think you have to put the doll on the stand somewhere. So this is the piece. So cool. And so I'll put the piece here. So one bag open. Here's the second bag. See, let me show you the little piece. This is the little stand for the doll to stand on. Let's open the next one. Oh, what's my next one? And I love how the bags have LOL Surprise Remix on it. It's so cute. I love the packaging so much.
Look, I got tiny shoes.
Oh, my sister got these very cute shoes. Let's show our viewer. See, look at these pink and purple shoes. How cute.
Yeah, those are my two favorite colors, guys. Okay.
Look at my outfit. It's so cute.
Now let's open the second
How
one.
cute. I like my outfit. Let's open the next one for me, too.
Look at my outfit.
Wow, look at my sister's outfit. It's all glassy and cute.
Here you go.
So now let me open my bag.
My bag.
Oh, I got these rubber bands to style her hair. How cute. I love it.
Look at my water bottle I got.
Wow, show everyone. Look at her water bottle. I like her water bottle. Here you go. So this is my next one. Okay, what did I get? What is this? Oh, these are my
I got
shoes.
so many rubber bands to style them, and they are my favorite colors. Look.
Yeah, so cute. And look at my cute golden shoes. I love it so much.
Now next one.
All right, this one's open. My next one.
Look at my hat, Bingo. It's a hat. Look at my hat I got.
Wow, look at my sister's hat she got. She got a cute hat. And look at my cup I got. It has soda inside. I think that's Coke, see?
Now let's open. There's two more bags.
Yeah, me too. Let's open them. What is this?
I got
This is a microphone.
I got more rubber bands.
Wow, my sister got so many rubber bands. What color is it now? Your
Pink.
other ones were purple, so these are pink. Let me show the viewers.
And my favorite color, pink and purple.
Yeah, I got a microphone. So cute.
And my last one, wait, it is so teeny.
Yeah, my last one is teeny too. I got a hairbrush.
What color is is it?
It's my hairbrush. It's golden. How cute!
And look at my hairbrush.
My sister's hairbrush is blue. So you have your accessories. So my sister has her accessories. I have all our accessories too. So all our accessories are open. So now we're gonna open our doll. So excited. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Look at my doll, how cute she is.
Look at my doll. Look how cute she is.
Wow, let me see yours. Wow, yours is my favorite. Look how cute.
Oh, I love yours too.
How cute.
Now let's put out the accessories.
Let's show the doll. This is my doll. So you can see she has some makeup on with some red lipstick.
And this is my doll.
Yeah, I love her so much because of the cute hair.
Yeah. Now let's dress her
And I
up.
have this bathing suit, so these are color changers. Let's dress mine up too. Okay, get this piece here. So I'm gonna put the shorts on. Well, these are not short, these are long pants. Oh yeah, my doll is a color changer. Because I was touching it and it disappeared. So mine is a color changer.
Can you help me, sister?
Huh? Yeah, sure. Let me help my sister. Do the pants. Okay. Here you go, rubbish. Alright, so I'm gonna dress my sister's one up. So the pants go this way. I love her suit under it. It's so adorable. Like, I can't resist.
Look at that neon orange, and look, if you see the back, it's actually green.
Oh yeah, look, the inside is actually green on my sister. On your microphone, you're a singer. You need it. Here is my doll. Ta-da! How cute she is. I love her so much because look at all of it. So we're going to see she's a color changer soon. So I can style her hair too because I have these rubber bands, so I'm going to style it. So cute now. Her hair is up, so it's not that messy anymore. See, look at how cute it is. Look at on the back. I made it a cute hairstyle. And in her hair, she has this like brown color.
Sister, can you help me make like one purple rubber band like this?
By the way, for the stand piece, my sister figured out you're supposed to put it on the radio on the top where there's a little hole. And now I can display my little cutie pie. Look how cute she looks. And I have her other accessories.
Wait, that one blocked that one in the ground the whole time.
Oh, all right. Now I'm gonna style my
And
sister's
I don't
hair.
want this to be lost, so I put it inside the picture.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want mine to be lost, so I put it back in the picture too. So here's your doll, by the way. Let me see how yours is. So let's show the viewers our dolls now. So this is my sister's doll. Wow, I love her earrings, and look at how cute she is. She's so neon and nice. So cute, right? And this is my doll. She is like I think she's like a genie. See? Or like a mermaid. See how cute she is? She's so cute. I love it so much. When you want to store your doll away, all you could do if you want to keep the instructions, because I want to answer these questions. So what you could do is you could close these up. You can close everything up, right? You can put all your accessories back inside, like this, if you want. And when you're not playing, so you can just do that. And I'm gonna keep this container to store my doll. So I'm gonna keep my doll out to show you. So if you want to put everything back in, like this, then what you could do is you could take your radio, and your radio is actually a lid. See?
What?
So you can actually play your radio while your toys are inside. So cool. And since this blind bag came with this, you see this on the top. On the top there's this little hole. So on the bottom there's its hole. So you put it on the hole, and then you can take your doll. It came off. Here. There you go. And then you can take your doll, put her on the stand. Come on. And ta-da! She's so cute. The bangs are kind of in her way, but that's okay. See how cute she is? What a cool LOL set. And thank you again to my uncle for giving me this LOL set because I love it so much.
Yeah.
So this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And subscribe to our channel if you like it. And if you like LOLs, then give this video a like. And I'm going to see how many people love LOLs or like LOLs. And don't forget to click the notification bell so people get notified when we upload a new educational and fun video. And also share it with your friends so they know more about LOL. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Eid Mubarak!